For nearly 3 decades, the Proof Silver American Eagle coin has been one of the most recognizable silver coins in the world. With its mirror-like proof finish and .999 pure silver content, each coin is certified museum quality PR70 or near-perfect PR69 by PCGS. That's a stamp of excellence sought by mints and silver enthusiasts around the world. The obverse side of the 1-ounce proof silver American Eagle coin bears Adolph A. Weinman's beautiful Walking Liberty design, initially crafted for the U.S. half dollar produced from 1916 to 1947, while the reverse displays John Mercanti's iconic heraldic eagle. To preserve its remarkable condition, each proof silver eagle coin is sonically sealed in a PCGS certified tamper-proof slab and also assigned a unique serial number for authentication. Produced at the U.S. Mint at West Point, these American Eagle silver-proof coins are authorized U.S. legal tender and guaranteed by the U.S. government for their silver weight and purity. Silver is among the most affordable choices when it comes to precious metals ownership, but as its design, condition, and quality can attest, the 1-ounce proof silver American Eagle coin is a champion among the world's coinage. 1-ounce proof silver American Eagle. The year is varied, denomination $1 U.S., condition proof, grading service PCGS, metal content 1 troy ounce, purity .999 silver, mint mark W for West Point, mint facility manufacturer U.S. Mint, issuing country United States, diameter 40.6 millimeters, thickness 2.98 millimeter, obverse designer Adolph A. Weinman, reverse designer John Mercanti.